Google just gave away their AI model behind Gemini for free and it's called Gemma 4. I have been running it locally with Claude Code for free, and the best part is your data never leaves a server or machine. It is well suited for reasoning, agentic workflows coding and multimodal understanding. You can download it right now in your PC with Ollama or LM Studio. In this example, we are going to use Ollama. Now you might ask, what is Ollama? It is a platform where you can manage and run these large language models locally in your PC. So head over to ollama.com and download inside your system, and once you are done, let's search for Gemma 4. Click on models and search for Gemma 4. And why I love using Gemma 4 is because it is Google's most intelligent open model up to this day, and it is built with the same research as Gemini 3. And the big deal is it is released under Apache 2.0 license, which means that you have full commercial license and you can deploy, fine-tune and sell products built on it with zero restriction. As you can see, it comes with 4 different sizes: E2B, E4B, then 26B, which is MEO or mixture of expert architecture, and lastly 31B dense. The 31B dense model ranks number 3 on the AI Arena Text Leadership Board among all open source models, and it is outcompeting models with even 20 times more parameters than it. So for this demo tutorial, I'm going to download the lightest or smallest version of Gemma 4, which is E2B around 7.2 GB and having context window of 128K. And yes, it's multimodal, which means that you can also upload images and it will be able to read and break it down for you. Now before downloading this, if you want to test this online, just head over to Google AI Studio. Then under models, search for Gemma 4. Here we have the 26B, which is MOE, and the 31B dense model. So let's select this. And as it is a thinking model, first it will reason and then answer your query. Hi, how are you doing? I'm doing great. What's the capital of India? Awesome, that's New Delhi. Then we can also upload any screenshot if we like. Can you interpret what is inside the screenshot? Yeah, as you can see, the text is Claude Code and the logo is of Anthropic. You can even take a step further and start coding with it. Can you help me build a simple landing page of HTML saying hello world or hello Manthan? The text tag it will use is HTML, the content will be hello Manthan, and it is starting to spin up our HTML page for us. Here we have the code snippet. So I hope you got my point. Just imagine having this local or offline model that can code, interpret images as well as reason through all of your queries. So now let's head back to Ollama and start installing locally inside your machine. So we're going to use E2B. So let's click on that and it will give you this CLI command. So let's just copy that. Let me just resize this. Then spin up a new terminal. But make sure that you have started Ollama before. So just type in Ollama. Open the application, it will look something like this, or it will be also inside your icon dock. So just click on settings and make sure that everything is enabled. Especially this one, expose Ollama to the network. Then open new terminal tab and type in Ollama. Here it will give you different options like chat with a model, launch Claude Code, which we will cover later on, launch OpenClaw and much more. So definitely first of all, we want to download our Gemma E2B. And just paste the command that we just copied from here. So copy this and paste it here. And once the model is installed successfully, it will show you this message. So let's type here hi. And it is reasoning through our query and providing us the answer. It is just like you are having conversation with ChatGPT, but here it is locally running on your PC, and you can also ask here 2 questions like what is the capital of India? Capital of India is New Delhi. Awesome. And now once our model is installed, it is now time to launch this inside Claude Code. So let's click on terminate, as well as you can also chat directly inside the Ollama chat interface. So first of all, make sure that you select the model that we just downloaded locally. Hi there, how can I help you? Now to exit out of this query, just say bye. Awesome. So we are back at our root and let's start or spin up Ollama again. So we want to launch Claude Code and we want to select the model Gemma 4 E2B that we just downloaded. Yes, I want to trust this folder, and there we have it. We are running Claude Code for free with Gemma E2B that we just installed locally. Hello there, how can I help you? But the interesting part here is it took 1 minute and 11 seconds just to respond to this small query. So it's totally dependent on which model that you are using inside your Claude Code. Can you first read the claude.md file? So you now have full feature set of Claude Code like MCP server, sub-agent skills, file reading, all powered by Gemma 4 running locally for free. That means you can build, debug and ship code from terminal without paying any single penny to API providers. But I will be honest, it still struggles with complex debugging and multi-file refactoring compared to Anthropic models. But if you're running short on money and you still want to use Claude Code with a free locally hosted model, this is the best option right now. And as you can see, it is reading through all of our files and giving us the summary what's inside that project. I will say it is taking a lot of time. I'm running this on my M4, so if you are having a Mac Mini or if you are having a Mac Studio, it will run just fine and very quickly. So best of luck guys, and feel free to launch it inside your Claude Code. This Gemma 4 can also run inside your mobile, inside even Raspberry Pi, so go crazy with it. So if you want more videos like this, just like, comment and subscribe for more.